In our last video, we talked about the monocrystalline solar panels. In this video, we are going to consider the multi-crystal solar panels. Here is the multi-crystal solar panels, and we are going to take a closer look at the characteristics of the poly panels. That is the characteristics of the polycrystalline solar panels. One of the characteristics of the polycrystalline solar panel is that they are formed from different crystals instead of one. You were exposed to the fact that the monocrystalline solar panels are made up of only a single crystal, and because of this we have the characteristics feature that we have in the monocrystalline solar panels. Here, the polycrystalline solar panel is made up of multi-crystal structures. There are solar panels with squares and uncut angles, mostly blue. If you remembered when we were talking about the monocrystalline solar panels, you notice that it was made up of rounded edges and they were black or dark in color, whereas the polycrystalline solar panel is blue in color with squares and uncut angles. They are not rounded. So when you go to buy your solar panel and you notice that even though you don't look at the solar panel nameplate, you notice that the angles here are sharp. They are not rounded and they are blue in color. You have to know that that is a polycrystalline solar panel. They are less efficient when compared with the monocrystalline solar panels. We already said that the monocrystalline solar panel is the best and most efficient solar panel. So second in our list in terms of efficiency is the polycrystalline solar panel. So if you are using your polycrystalline solar panel, you cannot expect to have the same efficiency compared to when you are using your monocrystalline solar panel, and the costs cannot be the same. So when you are buying your solar panels, the polycrystalline solar panels will be cheaper than the monocrystalline solar panels because of its less efficiency. Then we move into the amorphous solar panel or the thin film solar panel. You can see it's more or less the structure here is made up of very fine layers. Then we proceed to understanding some of the characteristics of the amorphous solar panel. One of the property or the distinguishing feature of the amorphous or thin film solar panel is that they are characterized by very fine layers that are thin enough to be flexible. These panels don't have frame. If you have been opportune to get in touch or see this panel physically, you notice that it doesn't have any frame. So That is your thin film solar panel. I've already said that this solar panel doesn't have any frame. So there are thin film in nature. Thin film panels can come in different sizes. That is, unlike the monocrystalline and the polycrystalline solar panels, in which their cell come with standardized sizes of, say, like 60 cells, 70 cells, 96 cells. The thin film solar panels can come in different shapes and sizes to suit the uh, the application in which it is designed to be used. So it doesn't come in the normal cells, 60, 72, 96 cells, and so on. So they come because they are designed to meet a particular application. In terms of efficiency, there are the least efficient solar panel. There are the least efficient solar panel, and there are the cheapest in the market. So when you are considering buying your solar panel, you should always consider the efficiency of the solar panel, but you also have to bear in mind that the efficiency will always come with a cost. We have already said that there are the cheapest solar panels in the market because there are thin film and they are made of very fine layers. There can be in they can be easily fold. They come in foldable forms. They can be rollable. So these are all thin film solar panels. Those are some of the characteristics that differentiate the amorphous solar panels with other solar panels that we have in the market.